Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is algebraic formula and applications. I repeat, our today's topic is algebraic formula and applications. Exercise 5.4. In our class, we shall know how can we determine HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So let us start our class. Before starting our class, we need to know two definitions. That is common factor and another one is HCF or highest common factor. So our first definition is common factors. Which are the common factors? The quantity which is the factor of each of two or more quantities. Then that quantity is a factor of each of them, and that quantity is called the common factor of the given expression. That means, suppose you consider two numbers are given, which are 6 and 4, and the factor of 6 are 1, 6, 2 and 3. Okay, and the factors of 4 are 1, 4, and 2 and 2 means 1. Student, notice 1 common, 2 common factor for both 6 and 4. So this 1 and 2 are common factor of 6 and 4. Okay, I hope you have understood common factors are what. Okay, common factors are what? That means the quantity which are present in two or more numbers is called common factors. Okay, in short, you know common factors what. Next, we want to know the definition of HCF. The definition of HCF. To know the definition of HCF, it is very important to know the common factors. It is very important to know the common factors. Okay. The product of the highest number of the factors which are common to or more quantities. In a language, we can say that the product of highest common factor, okay, is called the highest common factor or HCF of those quantities by which the expressions are divided without remainder. That means the product of highest number of factors are called HCF. Okay. Now we want to solve these two math and find out HCF. Then it is clear to you both common factors and highest common factors. The first number is 12, 18, 24. It is the math of arithmetic, and next one is x, y, z, 5x and 3xp. It is the math of algebra. So first up, the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay. Next one, 18. The factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Okay. And factors of 24 are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Now we find out which number are common. 1, 1, 1 common. Okay. 2, 2, 2 common. 3, 3, 3. But 4 is not common in 3 numbers. 6 is not common 3 numbers. It present in only 2 numbers. 12 not, 9 not, 8 not. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3. but the highest common factor is the product of the number. That means we multiply 1 with 2, 2 with 3. Then we get the HCF. So HCF is 1 multiply 2 multiply 3. 1 2 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So the HCF of 12, 18 and 24 are 6. And the common factors are 1, 2 and 3. I hope you have understood what are the common factor and how can we find out the HCF. Now we shall solve our second math, that means algebra. In algebra, how can we find out HCF? X, Y, Z. The factors of X, Y, Z are X, Y and Z. And factor of 5x is 5 and x. And factors of 3xp are 3x and p. Student, notice which number are common from x, y, z, 5x and 3xp. Notice x common, x common, x common, and no other numbers is common in three expressions. So we call HCF is x. HCF is x. So I hope you have understood. Okay. Now I erase this and start to solve our problems. Today we shall solve three problems. Today we shall solve three problems in exercise 5.4. 23, 24 and 26 we shall solve as a CW, and 22 and 25 you shall do as a SW in your SW copy. Okay, so let us start our first one, which is 23. So 23. Here there are two expressions, expression 1 and expression 2. So first of all we write that first expression. In algebra, how can we find out the HCF? At first, we convert the given fraction, given expression into factors. At first, we convert the given expression into factors. Then we find out which factors are common in two or more expression. Then that factor is called the HCF. Okay. So first of all, first expression is x square plus 7x plus 12. As we want to resolve it into factors, at first we check any number is common or not. X square plus 7x plus 12. So from this expression we notice there is no number which is common. So first of all we multiply. Here we apply the middle term break method. To solve these problems in middle term break method, at first we multiply first expression with last expression. That means x square with 12. That means it will be 12x square. Then we break it into two factors. That's why its product will be 12x square and its addition will be 7x. So how can 2 6 are 12. Again 2 3 are 6. Now 2 2 are 4 and 3. If we multiply 3 with 4, then it will be 12. And if we add 4 with 3, then it will be 7. Okay, so we can write x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Then we check which number is common in first two expression. That means x square plus 4x. We notice here x is common, so left x and here left 4. From this expression we notice 3 is common, so 3 common and left x plus, we divide 12 by this 3 and we get 4. And from this whole expression now we notice x plus 4 is common from both. So x plus 4 is common and left x plus 3. Okay, our first expression is done. which we resolve into factors. The factors are x plus 4 and x plus 3. Now we resolve our second expression. Second expression is x square plus 9x plus 20. So at first we multiply x square into 20, then it will be 20x square. And now we convert this 20x square into two factors. By the product of them we find out 20x square, and by addition we get 9x. So how can we break 20 as 4 with 5? 4 5 are 20, and if we 4 with 5 then we get 9. So we 5x plus 4x plus 20. Now from this two expression x is common and left x plus 5. From this two expression x4 is common, left x plus 5. From the whole expression x plus 5 is common. Okay, now we take x plus 5 is common and left x plus 4. My dear students, now we find out the HCF of these two expression. That means which number in common in both expression, x plus 4 and x plus 4. This expression is common in both expressions. So we can say this is the HCF of these two expressions. So HCF is x plus 4. And notice x plus 3, but second expression does not contain x plus 3, x plus 5. But first expression there is no x plus 5. So we take x plus 4 as a HCF. I hope you have understood how can you find out HCF of two or more expression. So now we write answer x plus 4. My dear students, you must write answer. If you don't write answer, some marks will be deducted from your answer script. Okay, now I erase question number 23 and start to solve question number 24. Okay. Question number 24. First expression is a cube minus ab square. Student, notice at first we want to check if any number is common or not. A cube minus ab square. Student, notice a is the common factor of both a cube and minus ab square. So we take a as common. How can we take a number common? A number is common. That means is divide both number by a. If we divide a cube by a, then we get a square. If we divide ab square by a, we get b square. Student, there is a formula of a square minus b square. Do you know what is the formula of a square minus b square? The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Our second expression is first expression done. A to the power 4 plus 2a cube b plus a square b square. Student, notice a to the power 4, a cube and a square. So we can say a square is common in three expressions. That means a square is common in a to the power 4, a square is common in a to the power cube, a square is common in a square. So we take a square as a common number. That means we divide each number by a square and we get. If we divide a to the power 4 by a square, then we get a square plus 2. Then if we divide a cube by a square, then we get a, and b is here. And if we divide a square by a square b square by a square, we get b square. My dear students, I hope you have understood how to take a number as a common. Okay, a square. We can write a square as a into a. Okay. Next, a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a formula. A formula of a plus beta whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Okay. Now we check which number are common in both expressions. Student notice at first a is common. So we take a as a common factor. Again, this a, but here is only one a. For these reasons, we take only a as common. Then a plus b, a plus b. So a plus b is common. But a minus b is not common, and another a plus b is not common also. So HCF of these two expression is a and a plus b, because a and a plus b are common in both two expressions. I hope you have understood question number 24, and this is the answer. You must write answer a into a plus b, a into a plus b. Now I erase question number 24 and start to solve question number 26. My dear students, now I erase question number 24. Question number 24 has three expressions: expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. So now we start to solve question number 26 as first expression. First expression is xy minus y. Okay. At first we check if any number is common. Student notice y and y. So we take y as a common factor. So we divide xy by y and we get x. Y by y we get 1. Okay. If we take y as common, let x minus 1. Okay, first expression is done. Our second expression. Second expression is x cube y minus xy. Dear student, notice x cube y minus xy. So from these two numbers we consider that x common, y is also common. So we take xy as a common number. Xy common means we divide both number by xy and we get, if we divide x cube by x we get x square, and y by y we get 1. So x square with 1, that means x square, minus, if we divide xy with xy then we get 1. Okay. Now xy, student, x square and 1 square means 1 square. I hope you have understood. Now we apply here a formula. Which formula? A square minus b square. We have already known this formula, that a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we write xy into x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay. Next, this second expression is done. Now we shall check our third expression. Third expression is x square minus twice x plus 1. Student, notice x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. We want to make it as a formula. That means x whole square 1 whole square. 1 whole square means 1. X whole square means x. Next, minus 2 into x into this 1. So we notice a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we consider x as a and 1 as b. So we notice there is a formula is applicable here, which is a minus b whole square. That means we write x minus 1 whole square. So we can write this as x minus 1 and x minus 1. Okay. Now we find out the HCF of the three expressions. That means we want to check which number is common in three expressions. So notice y. y is common here and here, but there is no y. For these reasons, we don't take y. Then we take x minus 1. X minus 1 is common here, here, and here. So we say that x minus 1 is the HCF of the three expression. So we write HCF equal to x minus 1. Answer x minus 1, and it is the required answer. I hope you have understood how to find out HCF of the given expression. Our today's SW is our first SW. My dear students, it is very important for you because now it is going on a pandemic situation. For these reasons, you know that we have no classes in our school. So we shall give you SW. Based on your SW, your diary marks, your city marks, or your SBA marks will be given. So it is very necessary to solve these problems as SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly. Our SW1 has two questions, question number 22 and question number 25. Okay. So first of all, in order to solve 22, you first write first expression, then you resolve into factors, then you write second factor, you resolve into factors, then we find out HCF. And similar as 25. Okay. Similar as 20. Your submission date is 20 June 2020, Sunday, and within 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in library. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library. Okay. So I hope our today's lecture is finished. I hope you have understood our today's classes. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.